We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WVIZ, WVIZ-DT. We will continue to serve the Central and East Lakeshore area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Central and East Lakeshore area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is WVIZ, WVIZ-DT. This station will continue furnishing news, official information and instructions for the Central and East Lakeshore area. If you are not in the Central and East Lakeshore area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station in your local area. And now, for morale boost, is the song "O Son of Lazy."
Is it show.